Okay, I think I'm live, or not live, but videoing now. Let's see. Hi guys, hello me, or me to everybody, it's MicheleMarieDalene, and today, of course, I'm at, well, my next to last journey for the day. I have to get some cough syrup for Ed, and, because, I mean, he was sounding bad, as he got, so I had to get him some, an expectorant cough syrup, which I found. But it's an interesting twist for cough syrup. First of all, part of the reason I say it was an interesting twist is most cough syrups are flavored. Not this. This has no flavoring at all. This is totally clear. No alcohol, no sweeteners, no flavors. Yeah, this is just basic cough syrup. CVS brand, non-dressing, tussin CF, adult cough and cold, free of alcohol dyes, and artificial sweeteners. Okay, it's got a cough suppressant, it's got an expectorant, and it's got a nasal decongestant. So, this is going to be useful for Ed and probably me, even though I really don't need it as much as you can hear. My voice sounds a lot better. But, even so. Even so. It's still... even so. Alright. Now, because this... Let's see, what's the dosing information on this? Store at room temperature. Warnings. Doesn't say how much to dose this. Well, I don't know. Warnings, drug facts. Alright, I'm going to assume about 2 teaspoons, which is on the cup here. It's very common, or a whole cup. Because Ed's situation is pretty yucky. Alright, now, I also had to come out here and buy a gallon of milk. I did go to McDonald's and get some breakfast. The problem is they had the music on, a little bit on the loud side, and we already know how YouTube is with this phone. It picks it up, and then I get copyright warnings all over the place, and can't monetize, and that sucks, right? So I said, screw it. I'm going to go out here. There's no music playing out here. And the sun's shining. It's a little chilly. It's like maybe about 11 degrees Celsius. It's not warm by any stretch of imagination. I walked out the door this morning with 6 degrees Celsius. That was approximately 3 hours, about 2 hours ago. Actually, no, about 2.5 hours ago. No, wait, hour and a half. So, all I'm going to do is I'm going to head back to the house, bring the milk upstairs. I bought a gallon of milk. I bought some cough drops. I bought a jumbo cough drops, family size. He wanted menthol liptus. Only problem is I couldn't find too many menthol liptus. But there's 200 cough drops in this bag. So he's gonna be doing pretty good. And that's what we're doing. Just gonna try to keep ourselves going best we can. I chose to stand over here with the sun facing me instead of away from me, so I won't be in shadow. After all, we're not trying to hide. Like, You see those people that are like trying to prevent from being, you know, investigations that are hiding in the shadows. You can't see their faces or silhouettes. Oh, they're trying to do that. They're not trying to silhouette. So I was like, okay. Now, Ed is still going tomorrow. Thus, to make it easier for him to get a good night's sleep, he's going to continue to do what he does with the Benadryl. It's supposed to use this as a knockout drug, but also an antihistamine, which probably doesn't hurt him any. The cough syrup is going to be good. He can mix it with his drink of choice. And that's pretty good, because he can mix it with the drink of choice. Alright? And, likewise for me, I can use it if I want to. I might. I don't know. I don't really have it bad anymore. You can hear my voice sounds almost normal. I can mix it with my Dr. Pepper. I can mix it with my Diet Coke. I could, I don't know, it might taste gross if we mix it with almond milk, but you never know. You know, whatever works. So that's something to keep in mind. But I can tell you right now one thing. It is time for me to get ready to wrap it up and head home, because the wind is cold and it is chilling me down a bit. And so I'm going to head home and drop this stuff off at the house for Ed. And then I want to plop my fat ass back on the bed myself. Okay, as far as the weather goes, you know what? I think someone's playing a game on us weather-wise, because it's not. This is like March weather. This isn't even May. We're 2 months late. I already can tell you that from feeling the weather. This would be like March 8th weather right now we're feeling. Well, I guess it depends on which part of the country you're in, because in Connecticut, yeah, it feels like March 8th. So, that's the reason why I'm going to get ready to head home. But I thought I would show you that indeed I am trying to get out more often and do more things, and that's what I'm doing. And so see you guys later, okay? Bye-bye.